Okay, this is our new USB Fiberscope. The Fiberscope comes with a USB cable attached to it, and how it works is it works with any third-party USB app. No dedicated software is required. So for example, we can use it on my phone with a third-party USB app. And now connecting it to an LC cable. As you can see, it shows clearly the end face of an LC cable. Now I'm going to demonstrate. This is a damaged end face, so it shows clearly. Now let's test it on the PC. So similarly, it works on a third-party, just USB camera app. Okay.